Welcome to the another session of learning basic English grammar. And today is the day 7. In day 7, we are going to learn tips about this basic English grammar. And today is not only a lesson what you are learning, you are getting a life lesson. Yes, dear friends, that means this lesson what you are going to learn today, the tips of basic English grammar, this will help you for your lifetime. Lifelong you will be remembering and recalling this lesson again and again. So this is the most important lesson. If you are not gone through the previous lessons, that is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and day 5, day 6, please go through that. In the description, I have given the link of that. Please go through that, and after that, you can come and visit this video. Alright, so let us jump in and let us see what are the tips we are going to get. First tip, a sentence starts with capital letter. Dear friends, in English, we write many sentences. Not only English, we write in any language, we write many sentences to speak many sentences, right? So there will be many sentences, but every sentence should start with a capital letter. Capital letter, we say upper letter, right? A, B, C, D. So these are the capital letters. This is lower letter. Okay. So we should use the upper letters. We should use the upper letters in the beginning of a sentence. That is, for example, he is my brother in this H. So the first letter should always be in capital. Capital, okay? It's the capital letters, it's the lower letters. So upper letter, lower letter. So basically it's called capital letter. So first letter should be a capital letter in the beginning of a sentence. Got it? Second tip, a name always starts with a capital letter. Name. For example, my name is Raju. So when we say Raju, Raju is the name of a person. So R is in capital letter. So remember that the name should always be, the first letter of a name should always be in capital letter, and here first letter of the beginning of a word, that should be in capital letter. These are 2 points and the 2 tips. Next, see the third tip. Third tip, I will always be in the capital letter I. The letter I, the first person I, first person singular, that will be always in the capital letter every time. So it is written here always. Always means anytime, right? How we saw a name is always starts with capital letter. Even the I always will be in capital letters. Either it may be beginning of the sentence or in the middle or wherever it is. The letter I should be always in capital letters. Let us see. For example, do you think I like this? Do you think I like this? Here I is in the middle of the sentence. Even though the I is in the middle of the sentence, we write it in the capital letter. Alright? This is about the third tip, and the fourth tip. A sentence will end either with full stop or question mark or exclamatory. So any sentence should end either with a full stop or with question mark or with exclamatory symbol. Here we have seen he is my brother, full stop is there. My name is Raju, full stop is there. Do you think I like this? Question mark is there. And exclamatory, what a beautiful flower, exclamatory. When we say something with exclamation, we use that symbol, exclamatory symbol. Wow, what a beautiful flower. Hooray, we have won it. Whenever you win the match or whatever, so that time we say, hooray, we have won it. So in that case also we use this exclamatory symbol. Alright, this is the fourth tip. Now the fifth tip. The structure of a basic positive sentence. How the structure should be subject, verb, then object. There are three parts in a sentence, subject, verb and the object. So this is the basic structure of a positive sentence. Alright, let us see the example. You go there. You is the subject that comes in the first part of a sentence. Go is the second part of a sentence. That is verb. Verb comes in the second part of a sentence. There comes as the object, that is the third part of a sentence. Now, what is subject, what is verb, what is object, all that we can learn in the coming days, whereas today I am going to tell you only the basic things. The basic things, and these are only the tips. Only tips I am giving you. This is just beginning. Alright? Just not an end, it's just a beginning. So just understand and just keep these tips in mind in further days. Alright? So you go there. In this is you is subject, go is verb, and there is object. Alright? This is the basic positive sentence. Then tip number 6 is the structure of a basic negative sentence. How the structure of a basic negative? Negative means not. Subject is there. Then helping verb plus not. Because negative means not. So there will be not plus main verb, that is verb and object. So here subject is there, verb is there, object is there, and here what is the special things are there is helping verb and not. Alright, so how to use that? And what is helping verb? Here also helping verbs. What is helping verb? These are the helping verbs: is, am, are, was, were, may, shall, be, do, does, have, has, been, did, had, could, been, can, may, would. Dear friends, these are the massive and broad topics about this helping verb that will be taught in the coming lessons. Now you just understand that what is helping verb and how this is used in the sentence. Now coming to this negative sentence, subject, helping verb, not, main verb, object. Let us see the sentence. You is the subject. Do not. Do is helping verb. As I said here, do. Do is the helping verb. Not this helping verb plus not. Plus go there. That's a verb. Plus main verb, go, and object is there. So you do not go there. Next is I do not teach English. Here I is subject, do is helping verb, not, after helping verb not, plus main verb, teach, and object. Alright? So here everything is same like the positive sentence, whereas helping verb and not is added for the negative sentence. See the tip number 7 about interrogative sentence. What is interrogative? Interrogative is the question sentence. When we use what are you doing, where are you going, all these are questions. So how to use that? First, question tag. As I said, question tag. What, where, why. Here are the question tags. What, where, why, when, who, how long, how far, how many, how much. These are all question tags we use while forming a question. Alright? And here what, where, why, when, who, these are all called WH type questions. Then about how, how do you do this? How long is about for the time. How long will it take? How long will the class continue? So how long? Yeah, how long is for time. Alright, we use. And about what about how far? How far is for distance. Here you can see how far did you walk. This for how many distance you walk. For that, how far did you walk? Here friends, how far is used not only for distance. We can see one is context of distance, that is how far is your house. Context of effort, how much effort he has put, right? For that also we say how far will he go to win the match. How far will he go? That means how much effort he will take. And next is context of extent. Extent also here, how far is this true? Whether it is true or not, how far it is true. That's the extent, okay? And how far can we extend our budget? That is, the limit is so much, how far can we extend? For that also we use how far. So we should understand how to use this phrase, alright? How many and how much. How many and how much both look similar, whereas how many is used for countable nouns which we can count, and how much is used for uncountable nouns. That means we cannot count that at that point of time. For example, how many books are there on the shelf? So we can count the books. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can count, right? For that we use how many. Whereas how much water is there in the class? How much water is in the class? How much water? I can say 1 water, 2 water in the glass. How much water? That is uncountable. For that we use how much. Alright. This is about question tags. So coming to the tips part. The structure of interrogative sentence, we use question tag, that one, and helping verb, then subject, verb, object. Here you can see the subject, verb, object part is same as the positive sentence. Alright. Only the extra part is question tag and helping verb. Here again, this question tag is optional. That means it comes to few sentences like what is your name, where are you going, in that case. Whereas if you see do you learn English, in that we don't have this question tag, right? We have the question tag in what do you get there. What do you get there? We have the question tag. This is also question, this is also question. Whereas here you can see it has come from the do, this part, right? So we can start from this also, helping verb. So helping word is this one. We can start from helping word, subject, verb, object. Do you learn English? Yes or no type. These are the questions where you will get answer yes or no. Do you learn English? Yes or no. Here, what do you get there? Here you have the explanation. You are explaining, right? So, dear friends, we have learned today's tips, that is basic English grammar tips, and go through that repeatedly, even share with your friends, as well as like if you are like this video, and share this video and subscribe the channel to get videos as and when I upload. Okay, and if you need the live sessions, you need to click on the join button, membership level 4. Okay friends, that's all for today. See you in the day 8, and comment and let me know which of these tips have helped you and you enjoyed it. That's all for today. This is Rani D'Souza, an author and India's first authority building mentor, signing off. See you in the next session. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with others so that they also can learn. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe the channel so that you will get everyday new tips on this